The Colt Single Action Army, also known as the Single Action Army, SA, Model P, Peacemaker and M1873, is a single-action revolver with a revolving cylinder holding 6 metallic cartridges. It was designed for the U.S. government's service revolver trials of 1872 by Colt's patent Firearms Manufacturing Company, today's Colt's Manufacturing Company, and was adopted as the standard military service revolver until 1892. The Colt SAW has been offered in over 30 different calibers and various barrel lengths. Its overall appearance has remained consistent since 1873. Colt has cancelled its production twice, but brought it back due to popular demand. The revolver was popular with ranchers, lawmen, and outlaws alike, but as of the early 21st century, models are mostly bought by collectors and reenactors. Its design has influenced the production of numerous other models from other companies. The Colt SAW Peacemaker revolver is a famous piece of Americana. The original length of the barrel, issued to the U.S. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.